Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Zksync. All right, for whoever is interested in it, I wanted to at least I'm interested in it, so I just wanted to do a quick video here, give you my thoughts. We'll do a full technical analysis. We'll talk about the fundamentals a little bit as well, but I think the fundamental. I think the fundamentals are much less important for Zksync right now. Alright, but that's what we'll talk about. If you do have any questions along the way, make sure to ask me down in the comments. I try to check all of them, even though it's getting a bit hard. But alright, let's get right into it. So the main reason why I wanted to cover Zksync today is that it has actually been relatively bullish in the last couple of days. Alright, we got some, oh, this is not how I find it. We got some nice bullish momentum from this support level right here at around 15 cents once we also reclaimed that. And on the 1 hour time frame, it actually looks like we are forming some sort of an uptrend. We're at a strong resistance level right now, right the same level we were at last week Saturday, I believe. And we're trying to break above that, but we're still respecting the EMAs right here. We're on the 1 hour time frame, so that's a little bit of a lower time frame, so you cannot always trust that. And I would much rather have the 4 hour time frame be respected. But so far, we've also been respecting that. All right, broke above the 0.5 fib of this move down, got some significant bullish reaction from that. So I would actually say the market structure is quite bullish here. Now, the big question obviously then always is can that market structure, can that price structure continue? Because what we want to see, or at least I'm assuming that most of you want to see this continue, and we want to see more bullish momentum. And then if you look at Zksync right here, we are gaining some nice momentum, right? So you can see that the open interest right here is going up a lot. It is going up in with very large amounts in a very short period of time. So that raises a little bit of suspicion with me. That usually means that some sort of whales are involved, which is not the end of the world, because they can also push up the price a lot. But it is something to realize, all right? Their average price to buy in was probably around 15.5 cents. So they are in profit, and at some point of time, they're going to do some aggressive profit taking. Now, the momentum in general, though, and you can also see that right here, the momentum in general has been very solid. Bitcoin is actually trying to get some sort of bullish momentum here. It's going to be a very volatile day for Bitcoin because we also have some major economic events. So just know that. That we could have, even though Bitcoin right now looks quite good, we could have a very severe turnaround before you know it later today. So check out my middle of the day market update if you want to be informed about that. But know that. But in general, for now, it actually looks, to me, it looks most likely if you look at the technical confirmations that we're getting, if you look at the market structure, I would say we are kind of consolidating right here now. But I would say that when we're talking about a consolidation, at some point of time, you're obviously going to get a breakout. And due to the momentum, due to Bitcoin and the price structure for Zksync itself, obviously, I would say a bullish breakout is actually most likely here. And some sort of a continuation, then we look at the 4 hour time frame, some sort of a continuation up to that major next price target at 18.5 and 19 cents. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. Like I said, be careful a little bit for Bitcoin, all right? If Bitcoin all of a sudden starts displaying a lot of bearish momentum, then this short-term consolidation that Zksync is in, which is actually an uptrend, we might just get a bearish breakout, and then all of a sudden we're very bearish. So this is very reliant still on the markets. Markets right now seem good enough to facilitate a move up, but if the market situation changes, then the probability of that also changes. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.